Good afternoon, students. Is it audible? Hello? Is it audible? Check. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
those who are planning to do the presentation can start. Share your screen and start the presentation. Quick. Is it Amin or who is it? What's the plan? Just let me.
Sir Nagraj.
Nagraj, which model?
Sixth module, sir.
Okay, start. After you, Amin, I see. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, sir. I just Sir, my screen visible?
Yes, it's visible. Go ahead.
Okay, sir. USA number 2 JI 19 MBA 45. My topic is social media and creating social media strategy. Steps in creating social media strategy. Uh, Following are the steps which involved in creating social media strategy. First is build your cross-functional team. In a company, there will be a many teams which a company need to take care. For example, sales team, customer service, marketing team, and content writers. And the content who will be dealing in content writing of the social media which they want to post. Objectives for company there will be a many objectives, but they need to be very specific in dealing with social media objectives. They need to choose what are their sales objectives and branding objectives and awareness. For some companies, some products they want to sell on by using social media, but some companies they use social media for branding and awareness. For example, as we see upstocks, they are using to create a brand and awareness, but they are not selling directly through social media. Listen to your audience and competitors. Customers and competitors will give you an inputs will that will help you to choose your social media and to create a pre, create content for your customers and your audience that will help you to gain extra edge over the competition. Identify your audience. A perfect You need to identify exact audience. For example, if the say your audience from Facebook and Instagram, they might differ, so you need to choose whether we need to choose we going with the Facebook or we are going with the Instagram. And selecting key metrics, this you need to choose to how the success metric will be analyzed by how by with the likes, with the engagement, and with uh, the key metrics analyzing the impact of the social media message that you content that you are posting or using a social media. That will be that result will be known come to know after so long time. It takes a lot of patience. It Most of the time the responses are quantitative, not qualitative. And followers, how many followers are there, and depending on the followers your engagement engaging with the responses will come. What are the unique selling proposition? How different are you from the competition? And for example, there is one education institution which is called Unacademy. uh, they use YouTube to create a short movies to and in between they use their product in the short videos, and they tell that people, they are convincing the people that they are giving some message using short movies. And more than the product features and benefits alone, more than the product features or benefit, it's something you in social media you need to come up with the content which will make your product more appealing. It is, for example, new Apple new ad they have come up with, as you can see here, Apple privacy that's matter. They want to create an appeal for the customers that the Apple is all about privacy, wherein they are gaining extra edge over the competition. So you can see here some of the pictures. कुछ भी फर्स्ट पिक्चर दे आर शोइंग कुछ भी हो जाए, ना बॉटल हटेगा ना वैल्यूएशन हटेगी. एज यू कैन यू सी इन कोको कोला, क्रिस्टी Ronaldo, they remove they kept the bottle side, and some of the companies they use Fevicol company that used it as their going with the trend, they used it and they just promoted their product. And in second feature, what they are telling is, before the getting retirement, you need to invest. And one more is, these are LinkedIn. One of the ad is LinkedIn, and one of the ad is Grow. So here you can see this Teen Pati, which is the ad from YouTube, and this one is from Twitter, and this one from both are from Instagram. So thank you, sir.
Okay, good presentation, Nagraj.
Yes,
You
yes.
came up with very nice examples.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
nice, good,
Yeah.
good. Yeah, this topic was covered by Srinidhi, I feel, but yeah,
Yeah.
well explained. Okay,
Yes, sir. Thank
okay.
you, sir.
Next person, please. Yeah, Amin, start your presentation.
Yes, sir. Uh, Hello.
Yeah, it's visible and clear.
Yeah.
Yeah, can start.
Yeah. My USN is 2JI 19 MBA 07. So my topic, the chapter is social media strategy, unit 6. My topic is dealing with opportunities and threats. Now this topic talks about like what opportunities and threats are associated with social media and how can you utilize it and how can you protect yourself from the threats. So now opportunities, as we know, social media provides a lot of opportunities. It's like the opportunity is uncountable. Among them, these are some of the opportunities. First is widespread communication. Now, if you see social media spread across the world, you can see Facebook has almost 1 billion users. Twitter has 300 million users. Now, if a company of a person is using the social media platforms, he can easily convey messages or any information to a large number of people without even personally or physically meeting them or without even doing any kind of hard work. So it easily covers a large amount of people. Second is creativity. Now if you see, social media platforms are widely used for creative ads and creative skits for promotions and all, like how Nagaraj mentioned previous slide. He showed the examples of Byju's, Grow and all. So they were using creativity in their advertisement to gain more customers. For example, if you see Red Bull ads, Red Bull also makes creative ads about how Red Bull gives you wings. And recently in India, Cred was like going huge with ads. They were bringing old cricketers, celebrities, and all, and they were like using that platform to create new methods of advertisement. Then is increased efficiency. Now, increased efficiency in the sense is like you don't have to it doesn't involve a lot of work. Like you don't need to have more finance to deal with social media. You can sit in one place and easily you can do all the work on a single PC or single computer, single mobile. Doesn't there's high production and less cost. So in that way, it increases efficiency. Then threats, as there are opportunities available, there are even threats, and especially with social media, there are serious threats. First is competition. Now, competition in the sense it can be through various social media platforms, like Instagram has competition, like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and it can be for companies also. Like company, if a company, if you see now, if you see a particular company like Coca-Cola, like Nagaraj mentioned, they have a social media campaign as well. Even Pepsi has a social media campaign. Even Bisleri has a social media campaign. So all this competition of like in under beverages company are all like they are on social media doing their campaigns. So there's competition from various companies as well as social media platforms. Then there's privacy issues. Privacy issues are always associated with social media. There is hacking, there's leak of data. Like Facebook had a lot of legal battle with US Congress regarding the privacy of the users, where almost a million users data was leaked to public, and even companies have to fear that their private data should gets confidential data gets leaked to the public. And there's uncertainties. Now uncertainties has is like it has two sides. It can be a threat for one company and it can be a advantage for the other company. Like uncertainties we see now recently, like Coca-Cola, this was going on now that Ronaldo had he had put his Coca-Cola bottles, so Coca-Cola shares fell down by 4 billion. It was a threat for them. But if you see, there's a company called IKEA. They used this advantage. They came out with a water bottle named Cristiano, and that the bottles sales skyrocketed. So the uncertainties have two sides. Thank you.
Yeah, very well explained. Quite good examples. You spoke about cred. That was really nice. And it's very,
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
yeah, nice. Well explained. Yeah, good presentation. I mean, thank you so much. Okay, others, you're done over here. Okay, one person showing left. Okay, yeah. Okay, students, we are done with module 6, unit 6. Henceforth, only the presentations will be going on into my class. Okay. We completed DSMM syllabus over here. Yesterday, I covered few of the topics. It was kind of a repetition again. Okay, but well, good examples again. Okay. Yeah, students, thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Srinidhi, please take the slides, or else, I mean, whoever it is, put it in the group. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
just say a message saying that module unit 6 PPT. Okay, so that would be helpful for your classmates.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, okay, students, take care. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Bye, sir.